Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Apex Legends out of sync with server. So to resolve this problem, click on Start, Settings, now here click on Time and Language. Click on Date and Time. Now here select Set Time Automatically. Then click on Sync Now. If this method not work, so close it and set the date and time manually. Now set time and date as your current country, then click on change, then close it and restart. If this method not work, so try another one. Click Start, type CMD. Right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now here type ipconfig space slash flush DNS, then press enter. Now type net sh winsock reset, then press enter. Now close and restart. So this way guys, you can fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching and please comment this method work for you or not.